Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add music to CapCut. So I have my video right here, but right below it there's a plus add audio button. We're going to click on that. And now we click on sound on the bottom left corner. And now we have the TikTok sound categories where we can link our TikTok account. And you're basically able to add any song from TikTok there, or you can just go up where it says search songs or artists. And we can click on the trending category, the Valentine's Day category, the vlog category, right? So let's click on the trending category. And now we have all these songs to choose from. And all we have to do is press the arrow button pointing down. And now we press plus, and now we've simply added that song to our CapCut videos. And now if you wanted to fit the CapCut videos, because it might be a little too long, we just minimize the whole timeline, grab the end of that audio, and then bring it all the way to the end of our clips. And now we've fitted the audio to our video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.